Hey guys, it's a beautiful day in Switzerland and I am out with the bike and with the drone, and I managed to test out the active tracking while cycling and it's really cool. I got some really good footage, so I'll show you guys that. Yeah, so I'm quite impressed. I was a little bit nervous because as it was following me, it sort of hit a tree branch, but then it sort of navigated its way out of it and I thought I'd crashed the drone, but it was okay. So it's quite a sturdy, strong drone. I think I've hit quite a few things actually, and I've only had to replace one propeller once, which is a good thing. But I just love videoing and just creating memories, especially when it's a beautiful day like this, and then making videos and then looking back. It's just so cool. Anyway, I just thought I'll catch up with you guys and I hope you have a lovely day and hopefully you'll see me soon. Bye. Mm-hmm.